Hey folks, come along with me. We're gonna make tollhouse cookies. It's been around since 1930, so you know it's gonna be good. And we're gonna start with 2 sticks of butter, softened. Going to go with 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. That's going to give this cookie a good rich. We're going to cream this until it gets creamy. I've got my oven preheated to 375. I got a ungreased cookie sheet that I'm going to use. Now for the dry ingredients. It's 2 1/4 cup of plain flour, it's 2 1/4, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've put in this together. These cookies are good for any time, parties, dessert. Take it to your, I don't know if you can take it to your kids' school now these days because everything has to be pre-packaged. They're great for parties or just have to eat them at home. So we've mixed it, and now we're going to add our chocolate chips and nuts. And I do that by hand because I don't want them getting chopped all to pieces. So this is 1 cup of nuts and 1 16-ounce bag of chocolate morsels. Whew. You can find a lot of recipes on the back of something like this, or the back of a cake mix, or I have a lot of heirloom recipes that I've got many years ago on the back of a cake mix or a can. So think twice when you're throwing that out to make sure you look on the back. We're going to mix this together. I'm going to take a tablespoon we're going to put them on the cookie sheet, a tablespoon. Some of y'all have cookie scoops. Y'all can use that. You can make them as big as you want or small. But you have to adjust the time, you know, on it. We're gonna bake them at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes, and we'll be right back to show you. Hey folks, the cookies are out of the oven. They've cooled a little bit. Oh, they smell so good. Look at them, chocolate chips and nuts, and they're so soft. Isn't that delicious? You've got to try these. There's nothing in the world better than a chocolate chip cookie. Still warm. It is so good. So I hope you try this recipe. It is good anytime. Let me tell you. Afternoon baking with your kids. They'd love to learn how to make tollhouse cookies. So I hope you try it. And as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.